Good morning, children. We are studying lesson 2, our extended family. Today we will move on to the next topic. We were studying page number 8 of lesson 2. We have covered the topic family teaches us yesterday. Today we are going to study our next topic, that is changing family structure, which is also given on page number 8. So open your book on page number 8. Now children, coming to page number 8, the topic is changing family structure. Before the topic there is a blue box given in which it is written Saina wants to know. Now what Saina wants to know, write any 2 values you have learned from your family members. This I have given in yesterday's assignment also. So here you have to write only 2 values. You may write it here only, or you may have done it in your notebook yesterday. Now coming to the next topic, changing family structure. Now start reading with me. Earlier, in almost all Indian families. Earlier means before. In almost all Indian families, father was the only member who earned for the family. Underline the word earned, E-A-R-N-E-D, earned. Earned means to make money in return for the work or job. The mother looked after the house, took care of the children and did other household jobs. Household means house and its related affairs. So underline the word household. Household is made up of 2 words, house and hold. H-O-U-S-E, house, H-O-L-D, hold. Now the situation. Underline the word situation. S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N, situation. Situation means condition. Now the situation has changed in many families. Now the whole scenario is changed. In almost all Indian families, both the father and the mother go to work. Now both father and the mother go to work. Earlier it was only father who goes out for earning. But now mother are also working and also do household jobs together. Both mother and father go to work together and also do household jobs together. Working couples. Underline the word couple, C-O-U-P-L-E-S. Generally, husband and wife are known as couples. Take the help of maids, M-A-D-I-S. Maids means a female servant. A female servant is known as maid. Servants or creches. Underline the word creches, C-R-E-C-H-E-S. Creches means a nursery where babies or the kids are looked after and they are being taken care of. For working couples, they used to leave their children in the creches and then they used to go out for work. And in their working hours, creches, the people working in the creches look after their children. Now next line is, in many joint families, the grandparents or other family members take care of the children of working couples. But in the case of joint families, the couples do not have to take the child to the crèche. Their grandparents and other family members like uncles, aunts, they take care of the children of that family. Now there is a picture given in which children are studying and their father is sitting with them and father is also studying. Now in the last there is a box given in which it is written grandma asked. Now what is grandma asking? Why is it important for parents to spend some time with their children? Discuss. Now children, all parents are working. Generally both mother and father are working, so they are unable to give their time to their children. But it is very important for parents to give their time to children, because this is the only way they can interact with their children, know their feelings, know their problems, and the parents can understand their children well and can come to know about their problems, about their situation in their life. And so parents can also give the solution to their children and also guide them according to their needs. So children, it is very important for parents to spend some time with their children apart from their work, apart from their household chores. Now moving on to page number 9. The topic is fact and Saina wants to know. First, there is a yellow box given on the top of the page and it is written fact and. Fact and means ant is telling a fact to you all children. Now the fact is, children who are brought up in nuclear families do not get the love, care and moral values that are automatically transferred to a child who lives in a joint family. And the most important thing of a joint family is that joint family has grandparents, and grandparents have enough time to spend with their grandchildren, and they can give more love, care and moral values to their grandchildren. Now after the yellow box there is a blue box in which it is written Saina wants to know. Number 1, who all work to earn in your family? You are living in a nuclear family or a joint family, so you have to write who are the working members of your family, like your father, your chacha. Working members may be your mother also, chachi also, etc. Now the second question is, who takes care of you when you reach home from school? Generally your mother takes care of you, but in joint families grandmother also used to take care of you when you reach home from school. Third point is, write about the role of your grandparents in your life. So you have to write about your grandparents. How do they help you? You also help your grandparents in their work, but grandparents also take care of you, and so you have to write about their role in your life. Like you may write in the points like number 1, they help me in my studies. Second one, I go for morning walk with my grandfather. Like this you may write points. I hope you must have understood the topic. Okay, thank you children.